Andrews and jump on it, or Nantahala and jump on it, and come out Franklin that way, or go into Franklin and come back. But then once you've done it, where do you go from there? Because all the roads suck if you go left or right. And if you go through Nantahala Gorge, you're stuck in all the traffic. By the time you get through all that traffic, get back on 28. Anyway, that's just me ranting. What I need to do is get you all the video of War Woman in 28 down there south of Highlands. One day I'll get off my lazy butt, go out for a motorcycle ride down in that neighborhood. I should have done it this week. It's so nice. You notice as it gets late in the year, towards the end of riding season, it's like the Harley owners just don't wave back. Usually the metric cruisers, they'll wave at you all the time. But the Harley owners, I guess by the end of the riding season, they hate their motorcycles so much. There's just no joy in their heart to spread with other riders. Let's go with that. I told you there's no traffic out here. This is what it's like to ride out here in November. Except there's no leaves on the trees. That was the Mustang Owners Club. All of them. Might be time to trim the weeds in the corners. Just got hit by one. nice day. 69 degrees right now. Whoop-de-doo. Whoop, whoop. This section here is kind of cool. It's like you get in here, it's like a canyon or something. Is that cool or what? This is the last good section of the road before it goes to the store. Now you got the long straight up to the store. Look at the Harleys. There you are. Welcome to the Deals Gap dumpsters. And there it is, world famous Deals Gap Motorcycle Store and Resort. It's what you've been waiting for your whole life.